Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're going to begin by verifying compatibility and powering the dock. First, confirm the docking model and whether your laptop uses USB-C, Thunderbolt, or USB so drivers match. Once done, plug the dock into its power adapter and update your laptop BIOS and any available docking firmware. This avoids handshake problems. While updates run, collect the display and network cables you'll need: HDMI or DisplayPort, Ethernet, and the primary host cable. This primes the hardware so the connection step is smooth and predictable. Now connect the displays and host cable. Start by plugging your monitors into the dock's video outputs, and then connect the dock to your laptop with the host cable. If it's Thunderbolt, you may need to authorize the device in a security prompt. Allow drivers to install and reboot if requested. After the system recognizes the dock, open your operating system's display settings to set the primary monitor, adjust resolution and scaling, and arrange monitors logically. This ensures apps and windows appear where you expect them. To finish, confirm everything works together. Check that your keyboard, mouse, speakers, and Ethernet show as connected, and verify the laptop is charging from the dock. Test sleep and wake behavior and run a video or GPU task to confirm stable display output. If something fails, power cycle the dock and laptop, reset all cables, and recheck firmware. These steps resolve most link and driver glitches. If a specific display or peripheral still fails, try different ports or a known good cable to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.